Well, here we are at my driveway. We've had a heck of a rainstorm and the wind has gone completely silent, and I kept hearing this roaring sound. So I come down here to the culvert pipes at the end of my driveway, and oh yeah, it's running like a maniac. It's overflowing the culvert pipe right here. Got crushed by the stupid trash truck guy, and they won't fix it, so it's not letting as much water through as it should. Yeah, now I can't walk down there right now, but over in this area is where it crosses the road, where we put in about 8,000 pounds of broken concrete to fix it, because it washed out a huge portion of the road. My neighbor could barely get by. But this is right here, it's just a little flood across the driveway, but right there's the big one. See the pile of gravel, pile of rock? So that, you know, the test was put down the rock and see if it'll keep some of the soil in place. So the soil's going to be gone, and I'm suspecting that water looks a little deep, so it might be carrying my rock off too, which would really be a bummer. But anyway, it's really loud. It's really, really loud. This would be a great time to have a big sluice, man. I'll bet you there's a little bit of gold in some of this water. It'd have to be a floating sluice. You can hear rocks banging around inside the culvert pipe. You hear that? As they're washing down. Anyway, the power flickered just once, and yeah, the flooding across the top of my driveway here is getting worse. It has rained, and for a little while, there's lightning around. I don't know, you probably can't see the sky at all. It's 6 a.m., so the sun's not up yet, but man, our town is going to be flooded to hell. Yeah, it's funny, I talk about a sluice. I actually made one. I just never anchored it, but I think this water flows too fast. I think it would be too hard for it, but it'd be a heck of an experiment. We haven't had a rain like this for, I don't even know how long now. I remember the one exactly 3 years ago. I think it was a lot worse than this. That's the one that damaged the road I was just talking about. Alright, well, maybe I get you some lightning shots here. Let me turn the light off, and we'll scan the horizon. Oh, I just missed a good one. So we'll just stand here a second. Yeah, standing here in the dark shooting video. Anyway, I don't know if you can see our light tower out there blinking. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh. Yeah, anyway, I had to come see what the driveway looks like. This is why we have four-wheel drives now. It was because of a bad storm we had. We couldn't make it to our appointments down in Kingman, so the rest of the driveway's fine. It's no big deal. See, there's the house all lit up and happy. It's, I don't know, it's like 57 degrees out, it said. It's not even that cold, you know. Anyway, it's not bad. This thing doesn't focus that well at night. Makes great daytime videos though, but not great nighttime videos. Okay, well, that's it for now. If there's any major damage around town, I'll make sure I get it on here. See you, bye.